you how to make a basic bass line, what we call a level 1 bass line, where the notes are all sustained just like you have in the piano parts. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the piano that I had copied, and let's open it up and take a look. Well, this is way up here in C3. The first thing I'm going to do is move it down, not just 1 octave, but 2. I'm going to select all, and I'm going to Alt-Option-Shift and arrow down, holding down Alt-Option-Shift, arrow down once and twice, so that if I look down here, my C is now C1. The next thing I'm going to do is I am just going to get rid of all of these notes here. Now I could have copied the left hand and done the same thing, and that would have been fine, and gotten rid of one note. Anything that you copied would have worked. So now I have just a basic bass note. And now I'm going to choose my guitar part, my bass guitar. I'm going to choose this plain old bass guitar, and let's see what happens. Fabulous.